So I want to talk to you about this Canon SX160IS. It's a 16 times optical zoom lens. It is an HD camera in the 16 megabit megapixel. Sorry, 16 megapixels is the size of the camera. Show you all around what it looks like. It is black. It has a flash that pops up. Hit this button right here. That's how you have access to flash. Super easy. The bottom here is where you add your batteries here. 2 AA batteries, and also your SD card goes here as well. And that's super easy. To turn it on, it's really simple. It has a power button right here, on off button. As you can see how it pops up just like that there. And usually you have to set the time and date when you first activate the camera. And we'll just hit skip for that, hit the menu, and then actually you can see my hand actually in the camera itself. Take a picture, all you do is hold down the shutter, bam, takes a photo just like that. There's my hand right there, which is kind of cool. Now to recall it, all you have to do basically is play back the play button, and it just plays it right back, just like you see there. And that's super easy. Hit the play button again, and you're back again to the main camera feature. Now this does have a lot of different settings here. We have live, we have priority, TV, manual. But another cool feature it has that I want to show you is that TV has camera mode. So basically you can make movies, standard movies with this. And you can make actually HDMI. It has a mini HDMI output right here on the side. I'll show you that, 1 second. Right here is a mini HDMI, so you can actually output right to a video source, just like that there. And actually you can actually create beautiful movies with this as well. So overall, it's a nice quality camera. Put it right back. I use the auto to shut it down. Just hold the it has zoom. So you can see here, it has zoom. This is the zoom button here, so you can see the lens moving in and out. You can see that. It's got fantastic, it's got image stabilization. It has a lot of features for a small camera. Power off, shut it down, and this is what it looks like front and back. Hope you enjoyed that little tour about this nice little Canon SX160IS. Definitely recommend it. It's a beautiful little camera and it does a great job. And with Canon, I love the quality. Thanks for watching.